audit on your tax filing and we got some information that you have passed your tax and but it was not filed with an appropriate amount and you have unpaid tax of $3,498 against you because of what this case is going to be registered into your county court and it will be registered into Queens County Court today. Okay, within 1 hour. So now, I'd like to give you some negative points about this case. So you're telling me it was a miscalculation because if the case is going to be registered today and if this call is going to be disconnected now, we are not going to call you again because once this call is disconnected at this time, the case is going to be registered automatically in your county court. As I told you, that the calls have been monitored by the IRS headquarters and the local authorities. Because once this call is disconnected, your case will be automatically registered. You will be getting a call from one of the local authorities to take you into the custody and to take you to the courthouse, and you will have to get an attorney to come to the courthouse as soon as possible. Because if you are sure that you can prove yourself right in the courthouse, and you think that you can challenge the IRS, then you can prove these things right in the courthouse. Right, sir? Because if you lose this case in the courthouse, then the court will sue you for more than $30,000, which is a suing amount, which is with a warrant on your name. Now you decide what would you like to do with this case and what are you going to do as a judge? Tell me.
No, you would.
Sorry?
No, you would.
You tell me what are you going to do? You're telling me you don't have an attorney. Do you want to go to the courthouse?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I don't have any attorney,
But you're telling me that it was not intentional. And if you don't want to go to the courthouse, why don't you just withdraw this issue out of the courthouse by paying this amount so that no harm will be done to your social image?
Yeah. How much amount? How much?
It's $3,490.
Okay, I will pay $3,498.
Because I'm telling you the right decision to make because this is the first time you are involved in this legal matter, so you don't know how it works. Because once this case gets registered, it will be registered directly on your name on it. You will be getting a call from the local authorities that they have written report papers about you, and they might have to take you to the custody, okay? In which you might can lose your job, might lose the property, and the things will get worse. Okay?
Yeah.
Before I talk to them, are you sure that if I talk to my attorneys over there, and if I talk to them, that you need a chance to resolve this issue out of the courthouse, are you sure that you will pay this amount right now?
Yeah.
You will pay this, okay. So at this point in time, you have an option to resolve this issue out of the courthouse by paying this amount. But I'm not sure will you be able to pay the amount or not. Because I want to tell you right now that the terms and conditions are quite hard if you want to resolve the issue out of the courthouse, okay? The terms and conditions are quite hard. But if you want to know the terms and conditions, then definitely I'll provide it to you, okay?
Okay, man, okay. You give me a whole story, whole movie, Sholay. Okay.
Sorry?
Yeah, you give me a whole movie story, Terms and condition and what's up under,
Sorry, what?
Yeah.
So we are on a recorded line. Can you speak a little bit clearer? I can understand you.
Sir, I was speaking in Hebrew. You're not understanding me. What is already happening in this country,
Do you want to pay this or you don't want to pay this?
I want to pay this. I want to pay.
What are you talking about? Movie story, and what?
Yeah, movie Sholay, Dharmender Baji, Ramanji, Amitabh Bachchan. Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? Hello?
I was talking about.
I'm talking about Amitabh Bachchan, Sholay movies, Indian movies.
As I already warned you 3 times that we are on a recorded line and you're trying to waste my time in here. So From this recorded line, me, myself, James Snyder, committing to you, Mr. Kim, that we are disputing this lawsuit with your submission on that we trying to notify you about this case and you're trying to play games in here. Whatever happens next, you are responsible for your own will.
Alright, you know what?